kettlebell hip hinge deadlift. So shoulders back, push down, head in line, bend knees, low toes, push hips out. Breathe in, breathe out, pull past the knees, hips out, extend, low toes, come up, pull past the knees, breathe out, shoulders back, down, hips out, lean forward, look over the cliff, stand up, breathe out. So just remember the shoulders back, remember the head in line, spine, hips out, low toes, push behind, retract scapula, hold, breathe out. Very simple. Let's get those hips moving better. So hip hinge, we're using a kettlebell. So give that a go at home, guys. Just move, get the hips moving better, especially sitting down all day. So I'm going to do my press ups. Enjoy, practice that kettlebell moving at home, get the hips moving better, better posterior chain. Give it a go. Do sit-ups, 25. So, give it a go, deadlifts, haven't tried it before. Actually, that's a good little workout, isn't it? Deadlifts, press ups, sit ups. Deadlifts 15, press ups 25, sit ups 25. Little mini workout, give it a go. Might as well come out, talk about fitness. How can you start a new tradition? Most importantly, take care. Bye bye.